Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. Today I want to take you guys along with me just to show you what a typical day kind of looks like for me. Usually you guys see me doing a whole house clean or a deep extreme clean, so I just want to show you what a typical day of my week looks like. So every day I have to pick up my living room, not just once but multiple times, so I will take you guys along for that part. And then I'm going to clean up my dining room, my kitchen. My husband had requested I make him a snack, so I will show you how I make one of his most highly requested snacks for the weekend. We are coming up on Friday, so I want to go ahead and get my house normal downstairs so that this weekend I can do some deep cleaning and also do another whole house clean since it's been almost a week. So without further ado, let's go ahead and let you guys get straight into this. And if you haven't yet, please consider hitting that subscribe button and give this video a like. So at this moment, I thought that my daughter was still like sitting behind me, but she had walked off and made her way to the cat bowl. I didn't realize it until I'd gotten and walked away. So she's having a fit because I had to take all the cat food out of her mouth and she was not happy about it. So she started crying, and that's a typical like situation that happens on a regular basis. She loves the cat bowls. She likes to get into all the cabinets in the kitchen, like anything that's not hers, she will find, and then she will cry and act like she's in the most trouble ever just because she got told no. I will say that this stage, she's about to turn 1 next month, is one of my favorite stages so far. She actually likes to play, she's very interactive, she talks a little bit, she walks a lot, she's into everything. And I know that can be frustrating sometimes, but most of the time, I just find it to be so like fun to just watch her explore, figure things out. And just this stage of her life is a lot of fun to just be a part of. Like I feel super blessed just to be able to like be with her all day and just watch her learn, explore, and just change. Like, I don't know, I'm loving the stage of her life. So I have a slight obsession with lemons, so I've been using the lemon verbena room refresher from Mrs. Meyers throughout my house right now. I'm hoping to switch to some new of the spring scents, but I have honestly been waiting almost an entire month. I like 5 days shy of a month for my Grove order to get in. Has anyone else experienced that? Because I usually get my box within a week, 7 days, maybe 9 max. It's been almost a month since I placed my order and it shipped the next day, and I still have yet to get it. I am out of all my dish soaps. I'm running low on hand soaps. I don't have much of anything for all-purpose sprays and anti-backs because I've just gone through them in the past month. I've been doing a lot of deep cleaning for spring, and it's really frustrating to know that my next order is supposed to ship in 10 days and I haven't got the last order that I placed. So let me know if you have this problem too and how you got it solved, because I sent an email and I haven't heard anything back yet. I also want to disclose that this is the first time this has ever happened to me. I've had issues with like products spilling in my boxes with Grove, but I've never had like a late shipment. And if any time I've ever had a problem, I will say something that day, and either that day or the next day they will respond, and then they will send me like an I'm sorry gift or a replacement of what I had. Like they've always been top notch. So I don't want to knock Grove whatsoever. So if you haven't tried the company, don't take this as like they're awful, because I honestly have never had a problem with them. Just wanted to disclose that.
Yeah, I just need someone like you. You don't have to feel like this. Yeah, we could try to leave it all behind. And we don't have to think about it. Oh baby, try to rest your mind. I wanna catch you like every time that you fall. I wanna give you the world that is outside your wall. If I was God, I would save you, take you where you belonged. If I could, I would get something new, then I would have what it takes to make you feel like you're safe. Cause all I need is just someone like you, someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Yeah, I just need someone like you, someone like you. Cause all you need is someone true like you are. Cause all you need is somebody, Cause all you need is someone.
So my husband really likes like high protein snacks or kind of like high fat snacks. We're kind of back on keto, but we're not actually going to call it keto. We're just cutting carbs for the most part right now. We've noticed a weight gain since we got off of it, so we're going to kind of go back to cutting carbs. He has been really liking to have what he calls a tuna snack, and pretty much all I do is I take some tuna, mayo, tapatio, powder seasoning, tapatio, like liquid hot sauce, and some eggs, and I put it all together, and he eats it with crackers or with a spoon or on like a salad. He likes it that way, and that's something he's requested a lot lately, so I've been making it a lot more. I kind of got the idea to use the tapatio because my favorite tuna snack or tuna salad, I guess, is Sunkist has a packet that's like a tapatio seasoning of tuna, and it's honestly one of my favorites. I add it to salads all the time. So the only place I can get it is a grocery store that we don't actually go to very often. So I decided to start trying to make it on my own. So I picked up these two products, and it's pretty close, but it's not exact. I don't know how to get the exact flavoring that Sunkist put out, or Starkist. I'm sorry, Starkist. It's not Sunkist. It's not soda. It's tuna. So Starkist put out the tapatio, and I'm getting close to figuring it out. It's not exact, but I truly like this. He requests it all the time. So pretty much all I do is take the tuna, add some mayo to it. I don't measure it out. I just until it gets nice and moist, and then I add tapatio and the powdering to my liking. I like my things a little more spicy, so does he. So I add it until I kind of get a good flavoring going. So if you're going to make this, I recommend just tasting it as you go, add little by little until you get it to the right flavoring you'd like. I'm going to go ahead and mix it all up and then put it in the fridge and wait for my eggs to get done hard boiling or hard steaming. And then I am also going to finish vacuuming my house, and then I'll come back and finish out the product. I usually let my eggs sit in the ice water for a while, but today I'd only hard-boiled 3 eggs, and I've honestly never done that. Usually I do 6 or I do a whole dozen, so I wanted to make sure that they got boiled as hard or as well done as I wanted them to be. They turned out perfect, so I went ahead and cut up the first one, and then I moved on to the others. But another thing I'm going to show you is I actually add my eggshells back into my water because I'm going to put it down my garbage disposal. I have heard, and I don't know if this is true, but I have heard that eggshells in your garbage disposal will help sharpen your blades. So I typically, almost every time I hard boil eggs, or if I cook some eggs every week or so, I will throw some into the disposal just to like sharpen up my blades to make sure that they're not dull, because a lot of foods will dull your blades, like noodles and stuff tend to dull the blades in your garbage disposal. So I sharpen mine using eggs. So after I'm done with putting all of it together. I'm gonna go ahead and clean up my sink, and then I'm done for the day. I get to relax with my daughter. She's about to go down for a nap, and that's how my day typically goes. I hope you enjoyed watching this. I hope it helped you get your cleaning done today. If you haven't yet, consider hitting that subscribe button, giving this video a like, and thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next one.